Man, I don't know. I'm kind of feeling ill today. I just want to quickly review what happened today with on NAS and ES. Monday, first day of the week. So initially, I just want to jump right into it. So we had this high of the week, which was on Thursday, and Friday, Friday, it's trading. The final hours of Friday. This was 1 p.m. Friday. On ES cleared this high of the week to create a new high. So that was logged into and then sold down to end the week like this. So opening this new week opening gap. So with that in mind, ES was showing that it was stronger on the buy side than NASDAQ. So coming into the day, I think price was here. It was forming the same signature that it did here on the smaller time frame. You can even see it from here. Sell candle, buy, clears buy side, breaks structure down and started retracing up. That's where price was at the time. I started recording, so it's more evidence here. So it's just the same thing that played out in this big move. That's what happened in this smaller time frame one. Man. So the first things I tried to note was the high of the sell side imbalance, which is this, and the high of the the previous week high, or Friday's high for NASDAQ's case, but in ES it was the previous week's high. So I had that just marked out for sell side I was marking out this London lows, which was formed which was kind of equal with it. Asian lows and London lows, which are kind of equal because 8 o'clock New York is still like during the London session. New York session starts at I think around 8:30 New York. So we had that. So when 9:30 came in, price initially cleared buy side here, cleared buy side and went ahead to clear sell side. So let me just jump down into the what this is the issue with broker feed and all that. So on ES on the futures market, this cleared sell side, but me I was still seeing it as equal lows here. It was now later when I missed it because it affected the judgment for the move to take price upward. And price cleared sell side. So I want to log this because of this information. Because I was kind of trying to relate this with a day 9th of July 2024. I was trying to relate the price action. Like it was kind of similar. So I was kind of saying that okay, I don't want to make the same mistake I made that day. Which in turn, well, I'm not am I mad? I'm just not feeling fine today. That's just the main thing. So back to what I was saying. So I was trying to relate it because I went back and the funny part was that right before the session started, I was back testing that day to see to kind of relieve it to not make that mistake again. So it was kind of similar. So what happened that the price cleared sell side but closed below the lows of sell side. So price didn't do that here today. So and it gave so let me just go straight into the 2 minutes. So price clears buy side, right? This IPA it invalidates it to clear sell side, so it doesn't make sense to put a sell limit here, right? Cool, because price has already got into intended target. So look at how this IPA aligns. So what I was just waiting for was that okay, this is the first move that is trying to reject from after taking out sell side. Same thing on ES, but on ES the problem was that on the broker feed it was still showing that it had not cleared sell side. So I'm going to be looking at that. And so when price did this and I saw that okay it's rejecting here, So what I wanted to just see was this IP should remain open and price should close at least below this lows, so that it will look like a structure shape, because like this it's still, you have to wait, because you can still consider this a price close below 8 o'clock, because where is 8 o'clock? On the 1 minute price close below it. So I was just looking for one of these candles to just close above this 2 minutes inversion, so that I can be more confident in the entry. But price didn't do that today, which is it's fine, but I'm bummed out because it's just as if today that I followed my rules, price didn't sell. Meanwhile, the day I didn't follow my rules, but that's cool. We'll see. On ES, it was more tricky because of this misinformation of equal lows. If it's that price cleared it and didn't close below, I would have even taken ES, because ES closed like significantly above the IPA that led to the clearing of sell side. So look at the last IPA before sell side, price closed above it. Obviously, if you are relating the two or these two together, what I was looking at was that this can see how this one closed, like the range, like the distance from its closing above was more defined than this one. So but just because of that equal lows that was showing, I was just like, no, let me wait. So after that, price left and didn't give another form of re-entry. But what I just wanted to log was that clearing of sell side, so that if you want to think that okay, after it clears this certain area of liquidity and it wants to continue, it needs to close below, and then you monitor how price reacts in the premium. So that's just what I wanted to log today, so that I don't bring the experience of another day, which is valid and valuable, and just project it on a future date. So but there was still an opportunity, because part of the rules that I said was that okay, there's still final there's still a final target, right, which is this buy side, which is Friday's high. 10:33. Look at how it is on ES, but also because of spread it didn't get filled, because its entry was here 2.5 3 point stop, sorry, because of this IPA could be revisited, but didn't get it. So that's just the day in a nutshell. To know, it's something before I go out. That's what I wanted to just point out today.